Welcome to episode 9 of our Mediumship Training and Development series. In this episode, we are sharing some insider tips to developing mediumship in a healthy way without losing your damn mind.
This series is an introduction to our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
And make sure that you catch all the videos in this series in that link below. After this video, obviously. In the whole series, we cover the basic foundation of mediumship development. Be sure to check all of that out after you watch this one.
Whether you're more advanced or just asking how do mediums work, you are in the right place.
And for those of you who are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments as we go.
Today we're going to lay down our unique process for developing mediums so you know what to expect when you come join us, what we expect from you, basically. Quality education is a key piece, of course, and we cover that in our advanced mediumship course itself. But the application happens with our 3-part method to develop your psychic mediumship skills.
The first part of that is sitting with intention to develop or unfold, aka meditation for mediumship.
The second part is practicing with people. Very important.
Absolutely. People, bring the whole thing all the way around to the yard. Number 3.
What does that mean?
Who knows what that means? I don't even know. Number 3 is working on fears. I cannot stress how important this is.
This video is the overview, and we're going to talk about all 3 of these processes in the next 3 videos. Just a heads up though, fear is this monster at the gate of your truth that is going to come up through all 3 of these processes. A lot of this fear is very often leftover superstition from religious belief or childhood trauma.
Or sometimes just videos and movies.
Like you watched Poltergeist too many times.
I did.
All of these we address in your training, but truly, where there is resistance, there is an opportunity to find the path to your truth and your skill.
Absolutely. So here's a question that we get asked a lot from our students. When do I know if I am really ready to go pro? How do we determine that? This is partly why we have set up our system to encompass this 3-part method.
So when you are able to be neutral, compassionate, unshakable, non-judgmental in your mediumship, you are ready. Okay, sounds like a lot. You are curious about the story that's coming in and not overwhelmed by the emotions coming from other people or emotions from spirit. You are just neutrally observing with compassion. But we find that as we work on this as a whole system of mediumship, the quality of the skills just kind of naturally unfold.
That's about that on that with all of that. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below so that you can have a better basic foundation for mediumship development.
In the next episode, we drop some insider secrets to meditation for mediumship, aka the secret sauce to sitting in the power of mediumship.
That's a pretty good one. So if you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might just be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy. This is where we have taken all of our life's work, focused it, where you can take advantage of PhD-backed education, weekly practice, and our supportive community experience. And if you're ready to level up your psychic mediumship skills, we also have our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
If you want to learn more, you can click the links in the description.
Check them out. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies that we've got for you. There's a link in the description below if you liked this video.
Hit the like button.
If you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe
and spank that naughty bell to turn to the notifications on.
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or
on its
live.
head.
Or go live.
Or go live. And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. Thank you guys very much. Most importantly, that you are here to level up your life and your skills and your mind. Take it all to an entirely new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to binge on some of these other videos around here. I don't know where they are. You can probably figure it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
See you in the next video.